I'm gonna make a sardine omelet for breakfast. That's everything. All the ingredients are in with the eggs, except the cheese and the sardines, which will be put into the egg at a crucial point, so we get a nice looking omelet. So I'm gonna beat this up and then go about making the egg, making the omelet. It's always a quick operation. I had the pan heated up a little. Now I'm gonna, there's olive oil and butter in there. Put it on a high flame. Get the egg in there. Don't leave anything in the bowl. Now the crucial part. As high as you can go. As soon as you see it start to set just a little bit, then we're going to push it and let the egg get in there. And keep on doing that. It's going to be a big omelet. I'm not going to do it one more time. Now I'm going to lower the flame to medium, get the sardines in there. Try and space them in the middle a little better than what you just did. I'm always in a rush with this. Put the cheese. Flip this up. Put the flame to low. Put a lid on it. Just for a minute or two to cook. Even though I like a soft scrambled eggs when I eat eggs. The omelet can be soft, but not like soft scrambled eggs, but not firm either. So I'm letting the film run so you see how long it takes to cook that omelet. And then standing by, I have my plate ready to tilt it and get it on the plate. I don't really want to brown the outside, so that's why I leave it on the flame on a low setting. Oh, look how dirty that is. I have to clean that. That's what happens when you do a lot of cooking in the house and other things. So now we're going to just feel it. I like that. And take that and get it into position like so, where I can turn it onto this. Boy, that is big. Tilt the tilt the plate, tilt the pan. How's that? Now I have to sit down and eat this for breakfast. So I hope you enjoyed that little technique and recipe, and see you soon.